Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Chase affiliate landing pages for personal finance leads, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by researching the Chase affiliate program. Visit the official Chase website. Navigate to the affiliate program section. Review the program details carefully. Create an account if you don't already have one. Fill out the necessary information to sign up. Wait for your application to be approved. Once approved, log in to your affiliate dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the available marketing materials. Search for landing pages related to personal finance. Select the specific landing page that aligns with your goals. Copy the unique affiliate link provided for that landing page. Consider your target audience while planning your content. Integrate the affiliate link into your website or content strategically. Create engaging content that highlights the benefits of Chase's financial services. Utilize SEO techniques to increase visibility for your content. Promote your content across relevant platforms. Monitor the performance of your affiliate links regularly. Analyze the data to understand what strategies are most effective. Adjust your approach based on the insights you gather. Continue to engage with your audience to build trust and credibility. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.